my name is Nicole and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, welcome. I am so excited to announce the 31 days of Halloween. Let's get on to the video. So hello everyone. Sorry, there was a mess, okay? And I had to charge my battery, so I started off a little bit, test out the waters. And it actually came out pretty nice. My hand is not really green. So for this video, I was thinking of doing a little bit of a talk through. This is going to be number 1 of the 31 days of Halloween. Oh my god. You guys have no idea how excited I am for these 31 days of Halloween. Right now, it's actually the 2nd of September. Yes, I did start a month in advance. Don't kill me, don't hurt me. It is what it is. I knew it was gonna take a month to be able to actually, do everything. It's a lot of work between filming, between editing, between getting all the looks and figuring it out and all that stuff. And so far I have all the 31 looks set. Some of them already dated. I want to get through most of them before October starts, because I know the things are gonna come in between. I also go to school, I also work, so there is a lot of things in there on top of trying to post and keep up with some looks that I'm still trying to do. It's an entire month. I cannot not post for an entire month on Instagram. So we're figuring that out. I'm figuring that out. And let's get started. For this first look, this is a look inspired by, hold on, I know his name is Dustin. I am recreating, I will put his handles somewhere. I'm gonna recreate this picture. It's like a little witch, and I love his style. His drawings are so beautiful, and his paintings are so unique. It's Halloween. It's styled as like this Halloween grudgy type of vibe. Fairies, witches, and I love that. I was born on October 27th. Yes, October 27th. 4 days away from Halloween.
We're home.
With this witch from Dustin, I will be creating it with the Mehron palette. I am going to be using for this one the color light green, which looks kind of like a witchy color if you actually think about it. Witches do have like that brightish green color to them, as you see right here. I did set it so it does not come off. See? Like, okay, maybe there's a little bit. I need to set a little bit more. Now, let's start. It's water activated paint, so I do have some water here. And thank the Lord that it is, because, trust me, you do not want to be dealing with creams. Creams are a pain in the taking my brush. This is a Morphe MB9. The good thing about this is it dries fairly quickly. The way she has it, it starts off, it's like this entire face and then around here. So I am gonna do the neck first, just because it's the easiest thing. Yeah, I'm trying to not show my goods, Okay, it's raining, so if you hear rain, that's what that is. Ah! Ah! I haven't set this, so that's why it's transferring a lot more. Maybe I should just put my bandeau top. Alright, now we're gonna set this. I am going to be using, it's a Morphe banana powder. I spilled it earlier, so now I don't know where the top is. Oh, it's on the floor, of course. Oh, okay, the queen is back. on this channel, I am the queen, and all you little babies are my little prince and princesses. Because, you know, there's not only girls that do makeup out there. There's some boys that do makeup too, so we cannot discriminate. Because everybody can rule in this castle. The only thing is, you have to accept the fact that this castle is a very Halloween-y castle. There is Halloween themes everywhere in my little castle. There is glam everywhere. Not every day, but I have glam stuff everywhere in my imaginary channel castle. One day I'm gonna create it. I'm gonna have you guys all come join my beautiful castle. That would be so awesome. One of the things that I have stated publicly that I want to do is when I get a little bit bigger, I want to, whether it's, you know, the first year, 1 year, once a year, or like then twice a year, depending on how much I grow and how much I can actually make from this, I want to be able to give back to you guys. And one of the things that I think would be really cool is, first I'm going to start domestically and then, you know, grow into like possibly doing it internationally. But one of the things that I want to do is I want to take you guys on a trip here to Miami, and then we rent a hotel or something, or get an Airbnb, and then I do like a collab with you guys. You know, like I film you guys, we spend the weekend. We'll do like Saturday or Sunday, maybe Friday too. I'll pay for you guys to fly down here and to fly back if you guys are anywhere else in the United States. And then, you know, like after a while, maybe I'll do it internationally as well. So I'll pay for your tickets to come over here, and then you could spend the day with me, or like the weekend with me. Once I do get bigger, how exactly I want to do that. But I would like to, like, I can do your makeup, or we can just do each other's makeup, or we can just do some type of makeup, and do a video just collabing, you know, and then just spending time with each other. Because like I know that once I do get bigger, that you guys, like, there's so many people that I wish would have done this. And I know, like, I get it, there's a lot going on and all that stuff, but at least, like, maybe not like super big, but at least like people that have enough money that they can afford to do these types of things. You know, I would think it would be really cool, like as like a kind of giveaway type, you know, and to be able to actually give back and, you know, like have fun and meet your subscribers and just actually be able to hang out with them, which is the biggest thing of them all. It's just to like hang out with them and talk and, you know, like ask questions, you know, because when you see us all on like this computer screen or this TV screen, and it's like, it's kind of like, you know, like a television. And in the celebrities on television, you never really get to hang out with them, even though there's still like Snapchat and all that stuff, so it sounds a little bit more personal. Let me see what else I want to tell you guys. Oh, so another thing that I look so funny right now, it's absolutely hilarious. Another thing that I wanted to tell you guys is that my DMs are always open. If you guys well, you could write me on Twitter. I'll write my Twitter, Instagram, everything for the most part. My DMs are always open. I get a lot of DMs. Well, I don't get them. I send a lot of DMs through Instagram a lot of the times. They go through, and I get to talk to a lot of people through there. I think that's where I communicate the most, for the most part. cat to climb on my head, so you know. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you guys like this little talk through to start off my 31 days of Halloween. Of course, it is not perfect because nothing in life is perfect, but it did came out pretty good, if I do say so myself. I had a few obstacles in between, but hey, in life there's always obstacles, so you gotta do with what you got. And that's for today's video. Love you guys. Bye.